Bienvenidos, damas y caballeros, soldados. Welcome back, everybody. It has been a hot minute, but as you can see, I have a new setup. I'm in a new place, and I've been busy just generally with working on and general labor and stuff like that. So I do apologize. Also apologize. I'm right next to an interstate, so if you hear any noise, hopefully you shouldn't. I muted everything, but if you do, now you know. The reason I'm making this video is because I have a couple of packages. So just a background, I've been working like I got a job, and so I've been working on that, and now with the extra income, I'm able to buy more things, and with those things, they're now arriving. For now, we're going to cover what I just received earlier today. So without further ado, let us get into it. Okay, so this first package is from a company known as 8080. I saw an ad on Instagram, and I decided to buy something from there. They're a like car centric shop, so they do a bunch of giveaways of like really interesting cars. Um, yeah, it's really windy today. So they have a bunch of car related merch and posters and T-shirts and backpacks and glasses and blah 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 blah. So I just got a poster because realistically, I'm not gonna win the sweepstakes. So I just wanted something cool. So it came in this box, and let us unpack it. So they gave us postcards, which that was for the car. When you buy something, they give you like tickets. Um, so that's for one of the cars, which is cute, right? I mean, this is definitely a car I would like to buy if I had the option to. Here's the second one. Now this is a car I would love to win, but obviously, knowing my luck, I highly doubt it. Regardless, very, very cool, very sexy. And this car is significant because it is now legally able to be imported. And in order to do that, a car has to be over 25 years old. And then it's considered a classic car, and then you can import it. So those are postcards. They also give you a sticker. Which will open. And then this. So as you can see, when you buy something, you are automatically entered, and that is just a code you can use for extra entries. I don't know if it's a one-time thing or not, but and a sticker, I suppose you can slap it on. It's supposed to be 88. Can't really see it. And then the invoice with a little thank you. That's really cute. Now let us open this. So sorry you have to hear this. Yeah. Pretty cool poster, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna need to buy some tape or something so I could hang it up, or some thumbtacks. Regardless, pretty based, pretty cool. Again, I looked through their stuff. Nothing really stood out to me, but that poster did, because again, two cars. Love to have them one day. So that was package number one. Now on to the second one. Oh, I also forgot to mention, for the first package, that poster was like $40, and I also got like phone screensavers that I didn't really care for. They just added another $20 so that I get like 1,000 more entries, something like that. So the total for those two items was about 70 USD. Not bad. So yeah, they are 88. I'll show up what I will show what the screensavers look like here. But otherwise, I don't really care for it. It's just extra entries. Again, I don't expect to win, but that's how much I paid for it. Now on to the second one for real. Okay, the second thing I purchased. Let me move this. Okay, the second thing I got. So I ordered these acrylic standees that you could play like videos or images on because I saw this one Instagram reel and I was like, okay, sure, I'll take that. Um, and they just arrived, but they didn't notify me. I thought it was something else. So here's what they came in, and let's open the first one. So as you can see, voila, they gave me a cloth cleaner, the manual, and here it is. It's a little cute thing. It's like a something you would put on your desk for. Wow. Um, oh my fingernails. Here's the back. So you could charge this thing and you could play videos. So it's supposed to be like for your desk, which is why I got it. Sorry. It's supposed to be for your desk, which is why I got it in the first place. And wow, I didn't know this came in. I was expecting another package, but oh well. Okay, yeah. So I got two of those. Here's the second one. Amazing. So awesome. I got one for my desk here and then another for I have a desk at the place I work at, so I'm gonna put it there. And again, same thing. So yeah. Okay, so that was what I had on offer. Yeah, I'll start hopefully being able to work on the videos more and start uploading more. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I do apologize. I've been busy moving and stuff, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot. I have a video in the works. It's a smaller video. I just got to edit it and then upload it. But this is just something I can do quickly, do effectively, and to test the waters to see if the setup even works. If it doesn't, oh, well, this is probably a once in a month video or something. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Um, I will say, give me a second. Those acrylic standees you saw me pay, or you saw me unbox, they did cost $155, and they were like on sale or something. So two, it was two of them, and they were originally 170, but then they went down to 153. So it was like maybe $5 off each one. Yeah, and they are cute and adorable, and I wanted them. So, like I said, I came on to more money. So to me, this purchase doesn't seem like that much of a waste, especially because I can now have them side by side or on my little nightstand here. So that'll be good. Anyway, So that is all I have for you today. I will be sure to have more purchases in the future, so when those arrive, I'll unbox them here. Otherwise, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I hope they can get back into the flow of things. We'll see. But with that, Viva Cristo Rey! Arriba Hispanidad! Adelante Hispanos! Ciao!